Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? I'm sure you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always. So today we will start with our profession. Before that, I am highly grateful and I would like to express my gratitude to all my subscribers, to everyone who is watching my videos every day, and to the ones who want to work on this project seriously. And trust me, we will be the first one who will be working on something like this, and we will bring this change in our economy, in our world, to the whole human race. So today the profession which I want to talk about is social activist, and how this idea came to my mind. I have read a story about, and I have read about one famous personality whom you all might be knowing, Sindhu Tai. Yes, she is a social activist from Maharashtra, and her life story, you can just go and Google it. At the age of 73, she has adopted 1,000 children. So I'm sorry, my apologies, it's 1,500 children, and she's grandmother to 1,000 grandchildren, and she is nurturing 300 cows. Why especially cows? Because her life has been saved by one cow. So that's the reason Sindhu Tai is the one whose life has inspired me a lot. She has got married at the age of 12 to a 30-year-old man who is almost 18 to 20 years elder to him, and she has given birth by the age of 20 to three sons. And when she was pregnant by the fourth child, their fourth daughter, at the age of 20, there was one miscreant who was hiring females in his factory, and he was mistreating them, he was molesting them. And when Sindhu Tai got to know, when she asked for the work, she just reported these incidents to the state collector and state ministry. So they have inquired everything, and it happened to out to be true. And then his factory was shut down, and he was jobless, and he was having no work. Then he said that I really want to take revenge from this lady who has complained about me at the age of 20, and on top of that, she was pregnant at that time. Then what he did, he went to her husband, and he said that your wife is having affair with me, and this kid is my kid. So by listening to this, he just kicked on his womb, he beaten her very badly, and then he just got scared that I may get caught by police, or I may get caught by people. Then he just left her in the cattle herd where he used to keep cattle, and so that it should be like cattle have moved on her, and she has been she is dead because of that. However, if you have heard, Jako rakhe saiya, maar sake na koi, right? So that same thing happened to her. One cattle was protecting her till morning. Once she was in her senses, she regained her senses. Then she decided she will not go back to her husband. Then she went to her mother. Her mother abandoned her because she was unwanted child. And then what happened? She just went for begging in cremation houses, right? And then she survived somehow, and now she is nurturing humanity. She has brought the change to whole human race, and she has been awarded more than 900 prestigious awards. And at the age of 73, I guess, 70 to 73, whatever is her age, if she's so active, if she can do that, why can't other elders can do, right? She has spent her entire life on this. Now people are studying about her in colleges, universities. However, she has not even gone to school. I highly admired her story. I really wanted to narrate this. Even she has been invited to KBC, and our Amitabh Bachchan ji also bowed down to her feet. I was reading this on while I was reading about her. So it's not because she is elder or something, Amitabh Bachchan ji is elder to her, still he bowed down, because not because of her age, not because of anything, it is only because of the humanity. She raised her level above everyone else. So if Amitabh Bachchan is bowing down to her and her level is above than any actor or anyone, so how many of you are knowing Sindhu Tai? I'm sure the audience who are knowing about Sindhu Tai is much lesser than the audience who knows about Amitabh Bachchan. So it's up to you what heroes you are choosing. I mean, we are making Sachin Tendulkar's chapter in the books. I mean, is he a real hero? What he did, it's for himself. It is not to bring change in humanity, in human race. We say that he played for country, but what he did with the money, right? He himself committed that yes, we all work for money and I have a family to support. We all are doing that, right? What they are doing extra, nothing, and still you are making them heroes, right? And whatever they are doing huge show off. It's not like Ratan Tata ji, who never show off. I mean, I have not even heard the name that he has said that I'm donating, I'm sharing, I'm doing this, nothing. He just quietly help people, he quietly support people. So if someone is doing something for human race, for whole humanity, if someone is bringing certain change, we should choose our heroes wisely. We are just making them rich. We are just giving more money by giving our time to them. So please choose your heroes wisely. And I'm sure now the story of Sindhu Tai will inspire you and your parents. So see you in the next video. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Tata. And take care.